Our Treasury yesterday also released another 9.1 billion for the higher loans board for the loans, and this is for the universities, for both universities and Tvets, and this will also be released to universities by the end of the week, so that the students who are opening, because the universities started opening on Monday last week and they are continuing to open until mid-October, so that the students can be able to get their upkeep, and the universities will get their portion of the loans and scholarships as we are moving forward. So that space is also being well taken care of. The admissions are ongoing and we are not having any challenges. All the universities that are admitting students have already uploaded the new fee scales that were reduced by 15% to 40%, which now makes the university education that much more affordable, and that will ensure that we have less dropouts, and the payments by the parents on their portion is ongoing smoothly, and that will ensure that we have sustainability in the universities. So we are doing everything possible in the sector to ensure that we have a smooth and stable third term, and as we continue to ensure that these reforms that we are doing that began 9 years ago and will be completed by 2029, when this particular cohort in grade 9 transitions to university, is well done.